In the great cinema of evolution, females and males are the main actors. The part they play is to create life. It is the role of the female to look after the young, and the role of the male to be otherwise occupied. But can we always believe what we see? What if, in fact, these roles were reversed? What would it be like if the mother's role was actually played by the father? What if it was dad who nurtured and encouraged the children, who tended to all their needs, who watched over the birth? And even more surprising, what if it was dad who actually carried the eggs or gave birth? Let's take a closer look at the extraordinary stories of devoted dads and their unexpected behavior. This is the story of nature's super dad.